In the future, your ride will help keep track of your life. It'll know when you're nearby and ready to head out.
OLA, Jay.
It'll give you power instantly when you need it. And recharge itself when you don't. In the future, your ride will understand that plans change on the fly.
Message from Sarah. Change of plans. Let's meet at the Thirsty Tavern. Would you like me to change your destination?
Yes.
In the future, your ride will have space for the things that matter. Your ride will make sure it keeps you safe.
If you're drinking, avoid riding and call an OLA on the way back.
And it will even make sure it keeps itself safe.
Take me home.
Sure thing.
In the future, your ride will be connected to your home.
Don't forget to charge batteries for your off-site meeting tomorrow.
The good news is, the future is already here. Meet the super scooter. Meet the future.